Hi guys, it's Sangeeta. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys doing well. So today's video I am going to do Google Pick My Makeup challenge. This makeup challenge was very trendy a few years back. So to do the challenge, I am going to Google and search by typing the first letter of my first name and the first letter of my surname and then type look. So I'm typing SP look. So now I'm going to image. Okay, you can see many images, but we have to select the first image of this image page according to the challenge. Now I have to do a eye makeup look based on the picture. So that is a very interesting and fun challenge. I am quite excited to do this makeup challenge. So let's begin. You can see guys in this picture, there is a combination of like sky blue and peach kind of color. So I will do the eye makeup according to this. So let's do this.
Silent nights recalling you, a souvenir of what it could be. Pieces of my mind are yours. I forgot the parts I'm missing. I pretend that we are okay, like nothing's ever broken. And I pretend that we are dancing, like the nights are never ending.
So guys, this is the final look, and comment below how much you like this makeup look. And if you have any other makeup video requested, then let me know in the comment box. I will definitely try to make that video for you guys. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, stay happy, and see you in the next one. Bye.